How to automatically update apps on iPhone. Let's get started. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial for getting the latest features, security updates, and bug fixes. Instead of manually updating each app, you can set your iPhone to automatically update apps in the background. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option of App Store. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Head over to the section of automatic downloads, enable for the option of app updates. This setting ensures that your iPhone automatically updates apps when new versions are available. If you want your iPhone to update apps even when you are not connected to Wi-Fi, enable for the option of automatic downloads. Likewise, click on the option of app downloads. From here you can customize the setting. You should be mindful of your data usage if you have enabled this option, as updates may consume a significant amount of data. Enabling automatic app updates on your iPhone ensures that your apps are always up to date without you having to manually check for updates. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.